Yeah, what's up guys? So in this video, wala naman ako ituturo sa inyo na anything, okay? So gusto ko lang mag-share sa inyo guys no ng trade setup kay EURUSD kasi meron ako nakikitang trade setup sa kanya. And I hope na mag-play out tong setup na to, okay? But before we proceed, shoutout muna guys no sa bago nating subscribers, followers, si @Jason_Wi-Fi235. Thank you bro, no? Thank you bro for supporting this channel. Okay, so I hope na meron kang mga natutunan sa mga videos na kini-create natin, and looking forward na makapag-create ako ng mga new content guys no na makakatulong sa inyo. Okay, so by the way guys no, just another news, I also passed another challenge kay Fibers, and this is a higher challenge. So this will prove to you guys no na possible na ma-achieve nyo guys no, kung ano man yung mga level na nare-reach na ng mga tao na nag-trade na ngayon. Okay, so isa lang naman ang reason para mag-succeed kayo. Huwag kayong tumigil, just keep on improving and stay consistent sa anumang strategy na meron kayo. Okay, if you think your strategy is profitable, hindi mo kailangan tumalon sa iba't ibang types of strategies. Just stay focused sa kung ano meron kayong strategy. If you think that is profitable, if you think nag-work naman yan, stay consistent. Okay, and then ulit-ulitin mo lang, and then mamaster mo yung strategy na yan. Okay, so yeah, we have now trade setup kay EURUSD. So as you can see right now, kung lalaki natin to no, we are now on a trend line no. Kung napanood nyo yung last video about trend line, how I mark trend lines, so as you can see naman no, kumikita no, uptrend pa rin tayo. Alright, we have a trend line here. If you go to the daily time frame, we have a trend line dito. Okay, so hindi pa niya binabasag pababa, so we are still bullish. Okay, so let's go back to 1 hour time frame, and as you can see right now, we are here on a trend line. Okay, nandito sa trend line yung palaki na lang natin yung trend line natin para mas malinaw yung makikita. Okay, nandito na sa trend line ngayon, naglalaro yung price natin. So na-leverage natin tong mga areas na to, which is this one and this one. Na-leverage natin yung mga areas na yan. Okay, so as you can see right now guys no, we have now potential trade kay EURUSD. So pwede itong sabay ngayon guys no, i-upload ko agad tong video na to ngayong, this is around 10:53 am, 11 am. So i-upload ko agad to, and let's see kung mag-play out tong trade natin. Okay, if you wanna take this trade, you can place a sell in this area no. Laki natin, you can place a sell in this area, and ang stop loss nyo dito lang guys no. Lagay tayo ng shade, dito yung magiging stop loss nyo, above here. Okay, this is around I think this is around 30 pips, yeah, 25 pips stop loss. Okay, so ang possible na ang maging target nyo is this area. Okay, dito sa area na to, ito yung magiging stop loss nyo. That is around 70 pips, or kung gusto nyo naman dito lang below, just below here, yun lang yung magiging target nyo. That this is around 50 pips, yeah, 50 pips. So you will have, if this is 25 pips stops, so this is 50 pips, so this is 1 2-hour trade. Okay, so yeah, let's see kung mag-play itong trade natin to ngayong araw na to, or hanggang matapos tong week na to, hanggang Friday. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video guys no, and i-monitor yung movement ng market. If you think, if you go to lower time frame, nagkakaroon na siya ng potential move talaga pababa. Okay, nagkaroon ng like red candle na solid. Okay, you can place a trade, or you can leverage this. You can place a trade right now and stop loss just above here, kasi kung aakyat pa rin itong price na dyan, ibig sabihin magkakaroon na siya ng bullish momentum. Okay, but right now let's maximize let's leverage this movement niya na potential na bumaba pa dito, kasi ito yung area na pwede niyang babayin pa guys now, this key zone. Okay, itong zone na to, this area, this gray zone, kung nakikita nyo, ito yung potential na pwede pa niyang babain. Okay, if you go to 4 hour time frame, as you can see, this is another zone na pwede pa niyang babain bago magkaroon ng movement pataas. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's just for this video. This is a short video, and upload ko ulit siya para maabutan nyo to guys no. And you decide kung iti-take nyo ba nga ba itong trade na to o hindi, or titingnan nyo lang siya o monitor nyo lang siya kung mag-play out tong trade na to. Okay, it's totally up to you. Okay, so again guys, no, trading is risky. Trading is a game of probability. Pwedeng manalo tayo dito, pwedeng matalo. Okay? But yung edge is in favor sa atin. Okay? Even this is a bullish trend, we still have a key zone dito sa baba na pwede pa niyang babain. Okay? So yeah, I guess that's it for this video, and thank you guys for watching this video, and God bless sa lahat. Shout out sa lahat ng mga followers natin. Bye bye and happy trading.